Today we are going to be updating mini tornadoes. I think I was recording another one and I did not publish it. So, yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I'm sorry I haven't published, uploaded. That's the word. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while because I've been busy. I've been at my grandma's cabin for a long time. And Ren. My dog Ren. She's right there. Can't see her, but she's there. Yeah. Probably gonna clip that. Hello. We're in mini tornadoes now. I haven't really been keeping track of the updates, and this is Hudson.
I'm slowly blinking, but you guys can probably not notice that. I don't know why that
So I remodeled the Dominator 4. Haven't put it in yet. And we're adding airbags and hydraulics, and then I renamed all the cities again.
This thing's gonna be an interceptor of the century. Yeah. Probably.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Also, I swear, if I see a Tornado Talk kid in frickin' POV Chasen's comments that has a photo of aerodynamics, I will fucking punch you in the damn face. Like, what the fuck?
I said you can only use it twice. Okay, I don't really care. Just don't say it like 10 times. Because I don't like power. I Christian, you know.
Yeah, we got Armadillo getting its airbags up there.
Ooh, interesting.
So, yeah.
This thing, they deploy.
They don't work because I saved all of them, so
I'm grappling it.
It doesn't work because I saved them and now it doesn't work. Anyways, this next part's probably gonna be
oh my gosh, I didn't
why did you do that?
I didn't notice how much I did.
Now Armadillo's gone. I need Armadillo.
Armadillo at EK where it went.
I found Armadillo. Alright. This next part is gonna be time lapse because it might take an hour.
You have a YouTube channel?
And TikTok. Alright guys, I have to go do something in real life real quick, so that stuff will have to wait. Dominator 3 will have to wait, and every other vehicle really. So yeah. So yeah. In 5 milliseconds for you, but hello, this is Future Twist here. The next clip you see is not like it's an after clip of another clip that I accidentally deleted, and so yeah, know that. Oh yeah, I also finished the 2011 Dominator 2 and other vehicles that I forgot which, because yeah. Hello, this is Future Twist here, and this next clip is, for some reason, he didn't record finishing up with Dom 2 and all that, so this next clip is, like, fast-forwarded, so, yeah. You should probably know that. So I basically finished up with a bunch of vehicles, and yeah, so... Hello. I'm back. My headset died, so, the progress did not save. I have to... Yeah. Tornado attack is not done anymore, which is kind of stupid, so, I guess I'll just cut this out. Put it out. So, you like... Alright, I finished up with tornado attack, so, I'm gonna work on fixing bugs with the, kind of a lot of the vehicles, so, yeah, Hudson right here is just gonna play around. Oh yeah, we might be adding this once the Dare Out 1 gets added. Alright, on to Dorothy now. Alright guys, that I think is all for the update. So yeah. Also make sure to go follow POV Chasin on
YouTube.
TikTok and subscribe to him on YouTube because he's building the Titan. It's a sub interceptor. Do not call it a freaking interceptor. It's annoying as heck. And then just so you know, if you want to know the current owner of the TV1, it is Robert Clayton. He posts on TikTok. I don't really know about YouTube, but what the fuck. And I'm gonna do some playtesting. Because playtesting is fun.
Mm-hmm.
And deployable probe.
Oh, you're still recording on it. Does Titus deploy?
Yes, Titus deploys.
Ooh!
You have to hit the roof.
I know that. Undeploy ploy. Deploy ploy. I said deploy ploy.
It's deploying.
I see that.
I think we play tested enough.
Yeah. Well, for now we did. Look at
Oh,
Apple
we
Valley.
We did not play test enough.
Look at Apple Valley and Webster.
Oh my god.
And look at the.
Alright, we gotta fix some bugs.
Some bugs.
My camera kind of disappeared. I don't know why.
Are you still recording?
These two cars right there don't work. So.
Oh, my back. My.
Alright, I fixed the bugs, so we're gonna publish it. Go play it, please.
Now.
Just also play his game, Club Chasing Road.
It's not fully done, but okay. It's
It
done.
isn't?
It's,
Even though Mini Tornadoes might have 400 plays, please play it.
I mean, Storm Chasing Road. I mean, it is done. It's only on update 1, like its first ever update. Like update.
Everybody play Storm Chasing Road. It's pretty good.
And it has working deployment.
Yeah.
I mean, the deployment doesn't actually help
Did I
you,
teach you that?
but yeah, I think you did. Or somebody else.
See you next time, I guess.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye, everybody. That
You'll
watches
see
this
that
channel.
guy a lot more often now. Because I talk to him a lot more often now. than I
We
used to.
friends. We huge friends. We actually have been friends for a long time now.
We've been friends, yeah. I've been friends with you longer than I've been friends with Down Chaser.
True?
I think.
Is that true?
I think it is.
Wait, so who did you friend Storm Chaser Isaac first, or me, or that one Chaser?
I friended. I hope you liked the video.